The Nephilim King is a hive tyrant of Highfleet Behemoth. Overlord of a splinter of its Hive Fleet of origin, this imposing leader of the court of the Nephilim King preys on the remote systems of the frontier worlds of the Ultima Segmentum in efforts to carve a path to the galactic core. First encountered within the Nephilim sector to which its name is derived, the Raven Wing of the Dark Angels chapter of Astartes failed to stem their advance to the world of Rakor 9, wherein the Knights of House Raven next stood defiant in its path. Deploying Synapse creatures, warriors, and biotitans to assault their minds as well as physical forms, the Knights observed with horror that the court mimicked a reflection of their own customs of knightly brotherhood. Preying on House Raven's prideful aggression, as the Nephilim King's forces isolated and destroyed the Knights piecemeal, Rakor 9 fell to its rampage, with few survivors of the house escaping, swearing oaths of vengeance upon the court. Its brow bearing a coronet known as the Crown Spike, its talons, deadly coil whips, and living bone sword draws life essence from its prey, while all manner of both small arms and heavy armaments fail to pierce its carapace armor of black and gold. Intelligent, ferocious, and adorned in all manner of deadly appendages, thus far none have come close to ending the reign of the Nephilim King, nor the court of advanced bioforms which pledge allegiance to its rule.